Hello, friends. Welcome back. Today we are going to explore one of the most powerful and life changing books ever written, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. This book has transformed millions of lives around the world because it reveals one simple but profound truth. Your thoughts create your reality. Dr. Murphy teaches us that within each of us lies an incredible hidden power, the subconscious mind, which can bring us health, happiness, success, and peace if we learn how to use it. So let's dive deep into this magical journey and discover how your own mind can change your life. Part 1. Two layers of the mind, the conscious and the subconscious. Dr. Murphy explains that the human mind works on two levels. 1. The conscious mind, the part we use for thinking, reasoning, and decision making. 2. The subconscious mind, the silent power working in the background. Your conscious mind is logical and analytical. But your subconscious mind is emotional, imaginative, and extremely powerful. It never sleeps. It never stops working, even when you are asleep. Your subconscious controls your heartbeat, breathing, digestion, and most importantly, it controls your beliefs, habits, and reactions. If you plant the right thoughts and beliefs in your subconscious mind, it will create the right circumstances and outcomes in your life. Part 2. Thoughts are seeds, the mind is a garden. Dr. Murphy says, greater than, your mind is like a garden, and your thoughts are the seeds. Whatever seeds you plant, that's exactly what you'll harvest. If you plant seeds of fear, doubt, and negativity, you'll get anxiety, failure, and problems. But if you plant seeds of confidence, success, and peace, you'll get happiness and success. The subconscious doesn't question whether something is true or false. It simply accepts whatever the conscious mind repeatedly tells it. That's why repeating negative sentences like, I'm unlucky, or I can't do it, can actually make them true, because your subconscious obeys those instructions without arguing. Part 3. The power of visualization and affirmations. So, how can we make our subconscious mind work for us instead of against us? Dr. Murphy gives two powerful tools. 1. Visualization, and 2. Affirmations. Visualization. It means imagining your goals as if they are already achieved. If you want a new job, visualize yourself working in that office, shaking hands with your boss, feeling proud and happy. When you do this repeatedly, your subconscious starts believing that it's already real, and then it works behind the scenes to make it happen. Affirmations. Affirmations are positive sentences you repeat every day to program your subconscious mind. Say things like, I am confident and capable. I am healthy and strong. Success and abundance flow to me easily. When you speak these words with faith and emotion, your subconscious accepts them as commands, and your outer world begins to match your inner belief. Part 4. The power of belief. The heart of this book is one golden principle. Whatever you believe, with feeling, becomes your reality. Dr. Murphy says that faith, not just religious faith, but faith in yourself, in life, and in your goals, is the key that unlocks the power of your subconscious. He gives many real-life examples. A woman who was told she could never become a mother began visualizing herself holding a baby every night. She truly believed it, and a few months later, she conceived naturally. The power was not magic, it was her subconscious responding to her deep faith. So remember, if you believe it's possible, it is. Part 5. The danger of negative thinking. Dr. Murphy warns us that the subconscious mind doesn't just respond to positive thoughts, it also responds to negative ones. If you constantly say things like, I'm scared, I always fail, or I'll never be happy, then your subconscious mind will make those beliefs come true. That's why it's vital to monitor your thoughts. Whenever a negative thought arises, immediately replace it with a positive one. Example. I'm so weak. I'm becoming stronger and more confident every day. This simple shift changes your inner vibration and attracts better outcomes. Part 6. The power of autosuggestion before sleep. Dr. Murphy emphasizes one very special time of day, just before you fall asleep. At that moment, your conscious mind becomes quiet and your subconscious mind is fully open to suggestions. That's why he recommends repeating positive affirmations or visualizing your goals before bed. Say to yourself, I'm healthy, peaceful, and successful. Tomorrow will be a wonderful day. Everything in my life is working out perfectly. These sentences sink deep into your subconscious while you sleep. And by morning, your mind starts aligning your reality with those words. Part 7. The Power of Forgiveness. Another major teaching of the book is forgiveness. Dr. Murphy says that when we hold anger or hatred towards someone, it doesn't hurt them, it hurts us. Those negative emotions get stored in our subconscious and block the flow of peace and prosperity. Forgiveness doesn't mean you agree with what they did. It means you free yourself from emotional bondage. So, forgive others, not for their sake, but for your own peace of mind. When you forgive, you cleanse your subconscious and open the door to healing. Part 8. The secret to attracting money and prosperity. Money, according to Dr. Murphy, is not evil, it's a form of energy. If you believe money is scarce or bad, your subconscious will keep it away from you. But if you believe money is good and it flows freely, it will start flowing into your life. Replace thoughts like, I never have enough money, with, money flows to me easily and abundantly. I am open to all forms of prosperity. When your beliefs align with abundance, opportunities begin to appear as if by magic. Part 9. The mind's power to heal the body. Your body is controlled by your subconscious mind. Every cell, tissue, and organ responds to the mental images you hold. If you keep saying, I'm sick, I'm in pain, or I feel weak, your subconscious takes those commands literally and keeps your body in that state. But if you affirm, I'm healthy and whole, every cell in my body is filled with energy, your subconscious starts repairing and strengthening your body. Many miraculous healings have happened just through faith, visualization, and belief, because your body obeys the instructions of your mind. Part 10. The secret of success and goal achievement. Your subconscious mind is your greatest partner in success. Here's the process Dr. Murphy suggests. 1. Define your goal clearly. 2. Visualize it is already achieved. 3. Repeat positive affirmations daily. 4. Act confidently as if success is inevitable. When you follow these 4 steps, your subconscious mind works day and night to bring your vision into reality. You start meeting the right people, getting unexpected help, and finding perfect timing, because your inner world has already accepted success as true. Part 11. Overcoming fear and anxiety. Fear is just imagination, and imagination is under your control. Whenever you focus on fear, your subconscious accepts it and creates situations that make you more afraid. But when you replace fear with faith, fear loses all power. Whenever you feel anxious, repeat to yourself, God's power is within me. My subconscious mind is guiding and protecting me. I am calm, confident, and safe. Gradually, these statements will override fear with strength. Part 12. Your subconscious, your best friend. Dr. Murphy says, your subconscious mind is your loyal servant, your greatest friend. It doesn't argue or judge, it only executes the orders you give it through your thoughts, words, and beliefs. So treat it with respect. Feed it positive images, loving emotions, and hopeful beliefs. And it will bring into your life the people, circumstances, and opportunities that match those vibrations. Change your inner world, and the outer world changes automatically. Friends, the power of your subconscious mind teaches us one timeless truth. Our outer world is just a mirror of our inner world. When you change your thoughts, your life begins to change automatically. So from today, plant the seeds of love, health, success, and abundance in your mind. Because your subconscious mind is always listening, always creating, always serving you. Remember, you become what you believe. So believe in peace, believe in strength, believe in yourself, and the universe will respond accordingly. If you found this summary helpful, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more such inspiring book summaries. Thank you for listening. May your mind always be filled with peace, power, and positivity.